Staub has been an industry leader in precision machining and contract manufacturing for over 45 years. Headquartered just south of Buffalo in Hamburg, New York, Staub is located on a manufacturing campus that boasts hundreds of thousands of square feet of state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. Buffaloians are built tough, just like our precision parts. Come enhance your career with a job that integrates CNC milling and turning, multi-axis machining, automation, robotics, and more. We encourage employees to learn new technologies, cross-train, explore their interests, and use their individual expertise to develop their skill sets. We believe in hard work, but also in having fun, hosting several company events throughout the year. With livable wages, a great company culture, and employee benefits like healthcare, PTO, retirement plans, and more, Staub is a great place to further your career. Get your next job right here in the 716. Apply today and join our team at staubinc.com/careers.